Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by protecting yourself and exposing bare metal. Once ready, strip any paint or sealers and sand to 120-220 grit so the solution bites. Prepare a 1 white vinegar to water mix and dissolve about 1/2 teaspoons salt per cup. This speeds oxidation. Apply only to the insert area, not the rest of armor. You want an even base so rust develops predictably, and immediate application prevents uneven patina from oils or residues. Once the solution hits the metal, check every 10 minutes to guide the look you want. Spray or brush on thin layers, letting each 10-30 minute pass deepen color. Repeat until you reach the desired orange-brown. For contrast, gently scrub with fine steel wool to expose fresh metal and encourage spotty rust. Make streaks by tilting the piece or applying extra solution along edges and seams. This mimics natural weathering. Keep a damp cloth nearby to limit overrusting in one area. To finish, rinse the insert and neutralize remaining acid with a baking soda solution, about 1 tablespoon per cup of water, then dry completely to prevent hidden oxidation. Once dry, seal the patina with a clear matte lacquer, metal wax, or rust converter to lock the look and stop further corrosion. If flakes appear, gently remove loose material, resand the area, and rebuild the patina in thin layers. If rust spreads unintentionally, neutralize and reseal the affected zone immediately to control progression.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.